Today on Good Tech, I'm showing you two deeply hidden iPhone call features that can save you time, reduce frustration, and completely change how you handle calls. We're talking about an iPhone feature that waits on hold for you, built-in call recording tools, smarter call layouts, and noise blocking tech most users never turn on. Let's dive in. Next up is a feature people have wanted on iPhone for years, native call recording. But now, in supported regions and iOS versions, Apple has quietly built this directly into the phone app. During a call, you'll see a call recording button on the screen. When you tap it, your iPhone plays an automated message letting everyone know the call is being recorded, so it stays transparent and privacy-friendly. And here's where it gets really useful. After the call ends, your iPhone doesn't just save the audio. When supported, it can also generate a searchable text transcript, which is stored neatly inside a call recording section in the Notes app. That means later you can search for keywords like appointment, address, or deadline and jump straight to that moment in the call. The next one is a voice isolation. If you've ever tried to take a call while walking through a windy street or sitting in a loud cafe, you know the struggle. The person on the other end usually hears everything but you. What most people don't know is that you have a secret microphone setting that blocks out background noise using AI. You can only see this while you're on a call. Swipe down from the top right corner to open your control center, tap on the mic mode or app controls section, and select voice isolation. Your iPhone will now prioritize your voice and digitally erase the traffic, the wind, or the chatter around you. It makes you sound like you're in a quiet office, even if you're in a construction zone. It's one of the most pro features on the iPhone, and once you use it, you'll never go back to standard mode again. If this video helped you, hit the like button. It really supports the channel. Subscribe for more iPhone tricks, automations, and hidden features that Apple doesn't always explain properly.